Hello, colleagues, and welcome to Course 2 of the ID series. This series of 4 online courses is designed to support the development and competency, expertise, and skills in new and experienced online instructional designers, librarians, and multimedia specialists who work with online faculty and other online support professionals. A certificate will be awarded upon the successful completion of each course, and completion of all 4 courses is actually required to earn the overarching certificate for the Instructional Designer Certificate Program. Courses don't have to be taken in order and can just be taken alone as a single professional development. We are now embarking on Course 2 in the series, which is Creating Useful Resources for Faculty. This course is designed to allow participants the opportunity to explore and discuss tailoring resources for online faculty, including tools, strategies, and curating techniques. Techniques for helping online faculty integrate resources into their online courses, such as multimedia, open education resources, and social networking tools, is also going to be explored in this course. I'll be posting regular announcements to the news forum where you found me here during this series to remind you of upcoming events and provide guidance that'll be important to you for the successful completion of this course. Please review those updates regularly. You should use the help forum to get any assistance with any questions that you may have along the way. I will moderate the forum and see you online. Thanks.